Yo, what's good, everybody? Back with another video. And yeah, so this is pretty much just a follow-up video from the previous video I uploaded talking about how I'm gonna be changing up the setup again on my car. So this time I'm gonna be running, as you can see, this new Artec V-band manifold. Fits up to like a Garrett G35 1050. Yeah, so the housing I got in the car now is like pretty much just the T4 106 housing, so it takes forever to spool. So I kind of want the more response with the V-band and the easier um, maintenance and whatnot. And then the placement for the gate is perfect for the IS because, it gets tight between the shock towers. So gate's going to go right here, 44 millimeter, the tile. It's going to be reusing that. The dump pipe should be good too. So yeah, let's check this thing out. And first, the reason why I went with this one was mainly because the excuse me, the tubular manifolds, you can, I don't know, they crack over time, whatnot. And I'm not really gonna say the brand that I got, but I mean it does the job. It's good for the money. But I paid pretty much about the same for that manifold that I have on the car now that I'm going to be swapping out for this one. But that was like 2 to 3 years ago. This wasn't even out. So, I mean, technologies are always changing. So you gotta keep that in mind when you do a build. You don't want to order parts years before and then, they come out with something else and you're like, oh, kicking yourself, wishing you just waited. So I got a fabrication appointment coming up soon. So that's why I figured I'd just kind of wait until like right before it comes up, just so I don't change my mind, because I've had that happen before and don't want to go through that hassle of returning it or restocking fee. And yeah, so let me shut up, stop rambling, and yeah, here it is. It's all cast stainless aluminum, I'm pretty sure. So there's no welds on this baby at all, which is very nice. It's almost like an OEM style manifold, just because it's a cast, so it's like you don't really have to worry. And it's not like a log style where you have very short runners. It's like the best of both worlds, in my opinion, at least. You got the, pretty decent size runners. I forget how thick they are, but yeah, it's also like flow tested too. I think it says like noticeable up to 15% horsepower gain or whatever. So yeah, we'll see about that. Just want to see how it's going to drive and sound too, to be honest. I mean, I can imagine just with the runners like this small and whatnot, not this small, but like just this size, it's going to be perfect for the street, even though it's not really a daily anymore. But yeah, you get the gist of it. So looking inside of it, looks pretty good, because the cast is like just a magma, like a rock that they melt. Yeah, this looks really good. The sorry, having a brain fart. The flange, like, it looks machined very well. Here's underneath of it. That's the dump pipe, and yeah. So yeah, also got the PRP Pro Series stud kit. I think it's like titanium or something. Yeah. Yep, got this, so hopefully it'll be pretty easy to install and it'll look nice in the engine bay. And yeah, details like that really do matter, especially if you're kind of deep into a build like this, like my car. And before I forget, I want to shout out Drift HQ. Especially, I think John and Jose. I doubt you guys are watching this, but if you are, appreciate you guys a lot for helping me getting these parts and shipping them out quick and being real friendly and cool to talk with over the phone. Excuse me. But yeah, other than that, in the next video or in the other part of this video, you'll see the rear housing, and then me and a friend of mine put on the manifold, take off the old manifold, and put the new smaller rear housing on with the G35 1050 and the tile gate. And then in the next video after that, got some more stuff coming up. Obviously the fabrication appointment, and I got something else up my sleeve, so don't want to miss out. So yeah, definitely subscribe, like, comment, and if you got any questions, I'm more than happy to try and give my best opinion or advice. So yeah, definitely stay tuned for the next videos. There's going to be a bunch of videos coming out this winter and fall, so really don't want to miss out. Till then, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.